The thing I do is a chicken breast, of course, and that's actually what I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to show you guys how I do it, and hopefully it helps everybody. Okay? See you in a minute. Alright, so I defrosted some chicken, and I'm going to now take my chicken and start slicing it up. I'm going to slice it right down the middle. Okay, so break it up into pieces before I cook it, because it cooks faster, and I make sure that the whole entire thing is cooked, and I don't have to cut it up later on while I'm eating it. Oh my god, my cats are going crazy. Okay, wash your hands always. Always wash your hands when dealing with anything chicken or raw. Don't get salmonella. Okay, next thing you want to do, you want to get yourself a pot. Or should I say, a pan. Alright. I spray down my pan just a tiny bit with some pan. I put about a teaspoon drizzle of vegetable oil. Just making sure it covers around the pot. Then I throw in my chicken. Make sure each one is separated and is flat so it will cook evenly. You're more than welcome to put a little tiny dribble of salt and pepper, or like lemon pepper, whatever you want to kind of give it some seasoning. Give it about a minute or two and then check it. You want to flip it over when it looks like this. White, but with a little brown trimming. So start flipping. And let the other side cook. Alright, so some light ranch and some steamed vegetables or celery sticks, doesn't really matter. Look how yummy. Really yummy. Another really important thing is to remember drinking. Anything that you drink is gonna affect you. If you drink a crap ton of sodas, you're gonna gain some weight, and especially because sodas are so high in caffeine and sugars, you're probably gonna end up feeling later on like you're crashing, and you probably never really have a whole lot of energy because what you're burning is not what you should be burning. So I find that having luscious juices like white grape and pomegranate, or passion fruit, or orange juice, stuff like that around the house to eat and drink, should I say, during food and meals at home, I think is great. And if you want to treat yourself to a soda when you go to the movies or out to dinner or stuff like that, you can. But as long as you're not doing it all day, every single day. You know, just be moderate with everything that you intake. Same thing with candies and really yummy stuff. You can have it, just don't have it all the time. Have McDonald's once in a while, who cares? Just don't do it every day. So let's see what we did. That is so good. Really good, really clean tasting, and it tastes really good with the celery. I hope it helped everybody, and again, if anybody wants to know anything else or would like to see me do another video, by all means ask. It's so good.